Welcome to MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. My name is Dean Ashton, and today we're on board a 2021 Sea Ray 210 SPX outboard. As you'll see in the photos, the boat has the quantum blue hull sides. For power, we've set this boat up with a 200 horsepower Mercury V6. That's done in the optional white paint. Across the swim platform, you have a nice gray sea deck matting, and that comes in through the walk-through. You have a designated ski pylon here at the transom. Nice facing aft bench seat, and that folds down flat to give you a sun pad across the back. One of the great things about this boat being an outboard is going to be the amount of storage that you get underneath the sun pad. Lift this up, you've got a tremendous amount of room, great for all of your beach chairs and extra gear. You have a nice L-shaped seating configuration in the cockpit. This is done in the stone interior, which is gray with the black trim. You have some storage underneath the aft bench seat. This does have a drain built in. You can use that as a onboard cooler, but you also get designated cooler storage underneath that seat as well. Double captain's chairs, one at the helm, one for the companion seat. You have a nice big ski locker in the floor. As you can see, this boat is equipped with the blue LED lighting package. It does have the stainless steel package, which gives you the stainless steel cup holders, grab handles, and latches. As we make our way up to the helm, you have your Fusion stereo, head unit there, 5-inch Simrad GPS and chart plotter, analog gauges. This boat is going to have digital throttle and shift. You have a tilt wheel, and both the helm seat and companion seat have a flip-up thigh rise. On the companion side, you do have storage underneath the console, a lockable glove box, and 2 full-length loungers up in the bow of the boat, which give you plenty of space to stretch out. That's a quick look at our 2021 Sea Ray 210 SPX outboard. If you'd like to see this boat in person, stop down to MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach and check us out.